So guys, today I have with me the brand new Hero Charisma XMR. My name is Bhavin. You are watching AutoRev's YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to give you guys a detailed walk around of this bike. After this video, I am also going to give you guys a pros and cons video. What things did I like about it? What things did I not? So you can stay tuned on the channel for that video. Before starting the walk around, which next car, bike, scooter would you like to see on the channel? You can definitely let me know that. You can message me on Instagram. You can also write it down in the comment section and I'll make a video on the same. If you like watching videos in Hindi language, आप हमारा हिंदी यूट्यूब चैनल ऑटोरेव्स हिंदी भी चेकआउट कर सकते हो. सारे लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए हैं. Now let's quickly start off this video without wasting any more time. So guys, let's quickly start off with the walk around. Let's quickly start off with the front profile of the bike. So right at the front, here you have your projector LED headlamp setup. Here you have your projector. Here you have your LED dial. This is your high beam, which is again an LED. The throw of the light is pretty nice at night. Here you have your Hero logo. There's a windshield right at the front. Let's talk about the design now. So here, as you can see, the design looks absolutely stunning and attractive. As soon as you roll with this bike on a traffic signal, a lot of people are going to notice it because of its attractive looks. The fairing looks absolutely sharp and edgy as well. So this is the yellow color, which obviously you can see right now. Very soon I'll also give you guys a detailed video on the color options. There are three color options. There is a red and a black one as well, so that will make it very easy for you to pick a color option. So you can stay tuned on the channel for the color video. On the design front, I absolutely love it. I'll definitely give it 10 on 10 marks for the design. Now let's talk about the tire profile. So here you basically have 17-inch alloy wheels. The tire profile is 180/17, 300 mm disc at the front, Biber brake calipers. The bike obviously gets dual channel ABS. Moving on to the side, but before that, let me show you guys the suspension. So these are your telescopic forks at the front. Here you have your LED turn indicators, and these are your mirrors, which actually offer you pretty good view of what's behind. Let's talk about the side profile. I mean, just look at it. I can stare at it all day long and still won't get bored of it. That's how attractive the bike is. Now the seat height is 800 mm, 810 mm actually. I'll also sit on the bike and I'll also show you guys whether if it is comfortable for you or not. The ground clearance here is 160 mm. And the engine, now this bike is powered by a 210cc 4 valve liquid cooled engine, which makes 25.5 PS of power and 20.4 Newton meters of torque. In terms of the refinement, it is a decently refined engine, I would say. In terms of power and pickup, I actually rode the bike in December last year, and right now, and that time I did not really feel it to be lacking on the power, but when I rode this particular one, I I feel that you have to actually push it a bit harder and faster in order to get a bit of speed. So that's about the engine. Here you have split type seat. The cushioning is pretty nice right here. You can also open the pillion seat right here. Here you have chunky grab rails. The bike gets 11-liter fuel tank. Here you have your Charisma badge. There's dual color combination right here, XMR sticker right here. We'll talk about the instrument cluster in detail. Here you have your chunky exhaust. By the end of the video, I'll also switch on the bike for you to listen to the exhaust sound. The rear tire profile, it is a wider one. Here you have 140/70/17. Here you have 230 mm disc brake at the back, and this is how the foot pegs are. The quality is pretty nice right here. Here you have 210 sticker, and the bike looks like this from this particular angle. Moving on to the back, here you obviously have your LED turn indicators, Hero sticker, your LED tail light. There is a Hero logo at the back as well. Here you have your sari guard. There's a foot peg right here again, and here you have your 6-speed gearbox, which also gets slipper and assist clutch, so that's a nice touch. And here you obviously have your, the clutch is on the lighter side. It is not very heavy, so riding the bike in the city won't be a task according to me. Now let's switch on the bike. Let's have a look at the instrument cluster. So this is how it welcomes you. Here you have your LCD instrument cluster, and it is a nice display, I would say. It is not a colored one, obviously. Here you have your gear position indicator. There's coolant temperature, it shows you. It shows you speed, tachometer, your fuel gauge right here as well. It shows you your odometer reading and your uh, date as well. From this particular mode button, you can basically check information. So it shows you average speed, average fuel consumption. It is showing 31.9 kilometers per liter, which you can tell me how it is. Is it fine? Is it bad? It is great. you can let me know that in the comments. And this is the information it shows you. It obviously also gets turn by turn navigation, so you can basically use that as well. Here you basically have your button for your visor, so you can basically press this button and you can basically adjust the visor accordingly. Here you have your indicator button, this is for your horn, this for your pass light switch. Here you have your engine kill switch, there is a button for your hazard lamp as well. The bike should have got cruise control, that is something which is not there. You obviously also do not get ride modes. Here you have charging port though, so that's a good thing. If you are touring, you can basically use that as well. So guys, I think I have spoken a lot about the bike. The ride quality is pretty much comfortable, the handling could have been better, and I'll be talking about the pros and cons of the bike in the next video, so you can basically stay tuned on the channel. So next I'll give you the pros and cons video of the bike. After that I'll also give you guys the color options video on the channel, so you can basically stay tuned on the channel for these videos. At the back you obviously have your gas charged monoshock suspension. So guys, I think I've spoken a lot about the bike. The braking, it does not really inspire a lot of confidence. The rear also kind of skids under heavy braking, so that is about the braking. Now let me quickly hop on the bike, let me show you guys whether it is comfortable for you or not. Like I told you, the seat height is 810 mm, and for your reference my height is 5'6". Let me quickly get on the bike, let me show you guys if you guys can manage it, so it will obviously give you a better idea. So here, as you can see, I am on the bike, my height is 5'6", and here as you can see, only I can put my toes down, both my heels are still in the air. So if you are 5'5", if you are 5'6", I think you should be pretty much comfortable with the bike. But if you are 5'4", I think you should definitely take a test ride of the motorcycle in city traffic. The weight is 163.5 kg, so it is not a very light motorcycle as such. On a flat road like this, you will be able to manage it. However, on a gravel patch, it becomes difficult to move it around. So that's about this thing. And yeah, this is much about it. Obviously it gets side stand engine kill switch as well. So that is about the uh, bike. Now guys, it's time to fire up the motorcycle. Let's quickly listen to the exhaust sound, and then let's wrap up the video. So guys, now let's talk about the price of the bike. So the price of the bike is 1,79,900 rupees ex showroom. And how do you like the pricing? You can definitely let me know in the comment section. This was a quick walk around of the Hero Charisma XMR. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any question, you can surely ask it to me on Instagram as well as in the comment section down below, and I will be more than happy to answer most of your doubts. You can also check out our Hindi YouTube channel. You can also stay tuned on the channel for more such videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, drive safe, ride safe. Bye bye.